on our inverted fork, we've integrated the brake caliper into the lower fork leg. And then we run the brake line internal to the fork. And what that does is three things. First off, and the main reason why we do it is on a custom motorcycle, you want the bike to look clean, you want it to look smooth, you don't want a bunch of bolted on stuff. So by integrating the brake caliper into the lower leg, we have the advantage of the very clean and slim appearance. And also because we run the brake line internal, you don't have a bunch of lines, cables and stuff just blown in the wind, and it's an eyesore.
Yep.
And even more so on a motorcycle that's, to a lot of people, a piece of art that they can ride. So that's the first and one of the biggest advantages. But secondarily, because we make the brake caliper part of the lower leg, it gives us a much more powerful brake caliper because we're able to use all of the strength of the lower leg as structure for the brake caliper. So our brake caliper total weight may be something like 8 pounds because we're using the whole lower leg, whereas, regular caliper might be a pound or two. So we get a lot of free structure. And that's the second big advantage, is it becomes a much more powerful brake caliper. The third advantage is there's not a lot of extra mounting bolts and extra hardware, and a lot of extra stuff. And because one part can be machined to do multiple things, it means it actually is cheaper for us to manufacture an integral brake caliper than it is to manufacture all the parts separately. So it lowers our costs. It gives us a better functioning part, and aesthetically, it's far superior to anything else out there. And we've patented all of the different processes. There's a number of patents that cover the hidden brake line, the integral brake caliper, and so we've successfully used our patents to fend off overseas manufacturers, and we're still making the parts right here.